Welcome to dotcom.builders. In this video, I will share with you how to connect your Porkbun domain to your Bluehost hosting. Without any further ado, let's start this tutorial. First, log in to your Bluehost account. Then go to the websites page. And from this website, you will see your web hosting plan. And next to it, click on Add Website. Here you can create or connect your Porkbun domain name to Bluehost by creating by setting up a new website. So select between creating your new website using WordPress, transferring an existing WordPress backup using a backup that you have, or create an empty website. Let's create an empty website. Click on continue. Give your new website a name, for example, Porkbun webs or domain. Then click on continue. Here, fill in or enter your Porkbun domain name. For example, in my case, it's automation.fan. Then click on continue. Now we've created or we've added our Porkbun domain to Bluehost. So till now, Bluehost knows about my Porkbun domain, but the Porkbun company does not know that I want to connect my domain name there to this web hosting or to this website on Bluehost. So how to do this? It's simple. So log in to your Porkbun account. From this domain management page, you will see your domain like that. And when you hover over it with your mouse cursor, you will see something called NS, which stands for name server. Click on it. A new window pops up. Here, delete the existing name servers like that. And go back to the Bluehost account. Go to domains. Click on manage. Yes. From this page, next to your Porkbun domain, click on manage. And as you see, your domain is almost ready. Complete the connection details to finalize this domain connection. Click on finish connection. And as you see, those are the current name servers that I've just deleted on my Porkbun domain. On my Porkbun account, and those are the name servers that I should give to Porkbun. So click on copy next to the first name server. Go back to Porkbun. Pass it like that. Same thing with the second name server. And click on submit. To make sure that those two new name servers are saved well, click again on NS. And here you should see the new name servers. As you see, this name servers update does not take effect immediately. It takes up to 48 hours to propagate due to DNS caching. This means that you should wait a little bit for this connection to fully complete. Now go back to Bluehost and click on verify connection. As you see, they still detect the old name servers. Click on recheck connection. Yesterday I did the same thing, but with a domain registered on Hostinger, not Porkbun, and this process was, or this name server detection was almost instantly. Here with Porkbun, as you see, I think it will take a while. This process can take as short as 10 minutes, and it can take up to 24 hours or 48 hours. So here, just be patient. Make sure to apply all the steps as I've explained them, and check and be patient. So as you see, looks like things are still connecting. We will continue to check and notify you when your site is ready. So you can click on close, and you will get a notification once your Porkbun domain is fully connected with your hosting on Bluehost. So I will stop recording and get back to after some minutes. And as you see, DNS successfully pointed to Bluehost. Click on Save Changes. And now let's give my Porkbun domain a visit. And as you see, my website was my Porkbun domain was connected successfully with my Bluehost account. As you see, it is still not secure. I think the SSL certificate takes a while to fully install. Let's go to the security tab. Not secure, SSL manager, add SSL. I think to force the SSL to be installed, let's log in to the cPanel on Bluehost. Scroll down to security and click on SSL TLS status. And here, this, as you see, my Porkbun domain does not have the SSL certificate. Click on Run Auto SSL. And this way, after 10 minutes, 5 to 15 minutes, your website starts using the HTTPS instead of just the HTTP. Before this, if your Porkbun domain does not fully connect with your website, this is totally normal. Any name server or DNS change takes a while to fully connect. So here, be patient. You can test if your domain is fully connected from a different device or from a different internet provider, for example, your smartphone data. All of those helps you check your domain and Bluehost connection. That was all for how to connect your Porkbun domain to Bluehost. If you still have a question, leave it in the comments below. And don't forget to give this video a like. Thank you.